in the universe, when you look at it, see, we get light from sun, we get heat from sun, we get light from many stars, correct? Now, all these things, they're basically transverse waves. Now, there is one such type of a transverse wave called as an electromagnetic wave. Okay, so an electromagnetic wave is a combination of both electric field as well as magnetic field, and the direction of propagation of an electromagnetic wave is perpendicular to both the electric and magnetic vectors. Okay, so when we talk about electromagnetic waves, see, whatever we see, whatever we feel, everything is a part of an electromagnetic spectrum. Alright, so electromagnetic spectrum ranges from the shortest of the shortest wavelengths to a longest wavelength. Alright, so it ranges from very small, such as gamma rays, to a very big wavelength such as radio waves. So in between we have different categories of electromagnetic radiations. Alright, so see, the main concern about this was, see, lots of scientists, they worked on electricity, they worked on magnetism, and then we also learnt about few scientists who did many contributions to electromagnetic field, right? Now, there was one person, so his name was Hertz. So what he did was, he tried calculating what is the speed of light. Once he calculated to figure out the speed of light. Then during that course itself, he was doing an experiment. Then he found out another type of an electromagnetic radiation, and then he could not figure out what it was, but he was getting the radiation. Similar way, after many years, there was one more person called as James Clerk Maxwell. So he finally he did one experiment where successfully he could explain the phenomenon of how electromagnetic radiations can be formed, and also he did one more very important experiment, or you can say a discovery, we can say. That is, he coined the word displacement current. Now, this displacement current is the reason why we have this electric and magnetic field. Alright, so lots of scientists started working on this electromagnetic waves, because the uses and the applications of this EM waves, they are innumerable. There are so many applications of EM waves. We can start from radio waves, which can be used for communication and all those things, till gamma rays, which is used to cure cancer. So from the shortest of the shortest wavelength to the longest wavelength, we have number of applications.